Meet the hamster, a pocket-sized pal ready to steal your heart. A tiny animal with a huge heart and endless energy. They're always on the go, exploring their world with boundless enthusiasm. These fluffy creatures are beloved pets, cherished for their adorable nature and easy care. Known for their soft fur, a comforting texture that invites gentle strokes, twitching noses, and curious eyes. Always alert, they observe the world around them with keen interest. Hold one gently, and you'll feel its tiny heartbeat, a flutter of life in your hands. A sign of trust that's truly special. It's a bond formed through gentle interaction and care. Hamsters show us that even the smallest beings can bring big joy. Their playful antics are sure to brighten your day. They don't need a garden. A cozy cage filled with tunnels and toys along with soft bedding is their perfect playground. They'll spend hours exploring and rearranging their little world. Watch them stuff their cheeks, a comical sight as they hoard their favorite treats. Run on their wheel or build a nest, activities that keep them happy and healthy. Each hamster has its own unique personality. You'll quickly learn their individual quirks and preferences. Some are bold explorers, always eager to discover new things. Others are shy snugglers, preferring the comfort of their nest. But all are endlessly fascinating. Their simple lives are full of surprising moments. Their busy routines, gathering food, arranging bedding, or stretching after a nap, add a lovely rhythm to your day. It's a comforting reminder of the simple joys in life. Hamsters teach us about being industrious and finding comfort in our own space. Welcoming a hamster means adding a tiny, joyful companion to your daily life, a friend who will always be happy to see you. You'll learn their funny squeaks, smile at their antics, and discover the simple happiness they find in a sunflower seed or a cardboard tube. Caring for a hamster teaches responsibility and the joy of small things. They're more than pets. They're tiny heroes of peaceful living. With every twitch and scurry, they remind us to find contentment in our own homes. A hamster's world may be small, but their impact is huge. These little friends prove that big personalities come in the tiniest packages. They are a reminder that joy can be found in the simplest of things. Have you ever wondered about the origins of those adorable, furry creatures we call hamsters? Their incredible story begins in the wild, specifically in the arid and unforgiving deserts of Syria. This is where their ancestors roamed freely. The golden, or Syrian hamster as we know it, once thrived in these vast sun-baked lands, perfectly adapted to the harsh environment. They spent their days sleeping in cool, self-dug underground burrows, escaping the scorching heat, and emerged at night to begin their foraging. It wasn't until the 1930s that a zoologist made a groundbreaking discovery. While on an expedition in Syria, he found a mother hamster and her babies nestled together. These hamsters were taken back for research, and they became the direct ancestors of nearly all the pet hamsters we cherish today. From that single fortunate family, hamsters embarked on an incredible journey, spreading across the globe, captivating scientists with their unique biology and charming pet lovers with their adorable antics. In their natural habitat, hamsters are incredibly resourceful survivors. They've developed a clever strategy, using their stretchy cheek pouches like built-in shopping bags to efficiently carry food back to the safety of their burrows. Once safely inside, they meticulously stash seeds, grains, and other forage treasures in carefully organized underground hoards, creating a pantry that ensures they always have something to eat, even when times are lean. These deeply ingrained survival instincts remain remarkably strong, even in our domesticated pet hamsters. This explains their irresistible love for burrowing in their bedding and their persistent drive to hoard food, even when their bowls are overflowing. Understanding their wild roots provides valuable insights into how to care for them better. Providing deep bedding allows them to satisfy their natural digging urges, and offering plenty of places to hide mimics the security of their natural burrows. Their primarily nocturnal habits, with their bursts of activity at night, and their unwavering dedication to food hoarding are echoes of their resilient desert ancestors, a testament to their evolutionary heritage. By acknowledging and respecting these deeply ingrained instincts, we can create environments that allow our hamsters to feel safe, secure, and ultimately happy and content in their homes. Every hamster, no matter how domesticated, carries a little piece of the wild within them, a connection to their Syrian desert origins, even as they enjoy the comfort and safety of our homes. Their incredible journey, from resilient desert survivor to beloved and cherished pet, is a truly remarkable testament to their adaptability and enduring charm. So, the next time you observe your hamster diligently digging in its bedding or meticulously stashing food in its cheek pouches, remember that you're witnessing ancient hardwired behaviors in action, a glimpse into their wild past. By providing them with an enriched habitat that caters to their natural instincts, we not only enhance their lives, but also deepen our bond with these fascinating creatures, making their lives richer and enriching ours in the process. The story of the hamster is a captivating tale of resilience, adaptation, and the unique joy of bringing a little piece of the wild, a touch of the Syrian desert, into our everyday lives. Hamsters come in a dazzling variety of shapes, sizes, and colors. The Syrian hamster, once golden brown, now sports coats from pure white to jet black, with long or short fur and striking patterns. Syrians are the largest and prefer to live alone, each with a distinct personality. Dwarf hamsters, like Campbell's and winter white, are smaller, faster, and sometimes social. Winter whites can even change color, turning nearly white in winter to blend into snowy Siberian landscapes. Roborovski hamsters, or robos, are the tiniest and quickest, with adorable white eyebrows and boundless energy. Watching a robo zip through tunnels is like seeing a tiny acrobat in action. All hamsters share special features: expandable cheek pouches, delicate paws for digging, and ever-growing teeth that need constant chewing. A happy hamster starts with the right home, a place where they feel secure and can express their natural behaviors. Choose the biggest cage you can possibly accommodate. Hamsters need ample space to run, explore, and establish their territory. Think of it as providing them with their own little apartment. Dig, burrow deep, and explore every nook and cranny of their environment. Fill the cage generously with deep, soft, paper-based bedding for burrowing, mimicking their natural habitat in the wild. This allows them to create tunnels and nests, providing security and comfort. Add a solid surface running wheel. Avoid wire or mesh wheels for nightly exercise. Hamsters are incredibly active and can run miles every night to stay fit and healthy. Provide cardboard tubes, safe wooden chew toys, and cozy hideouts to keep them mentally stimulated, physically busy, and their ever-growing teeth healthy. A balanced hamster food mix, specifically formulated for hamsters, plus tiny hamster-safe bits of fresh veggies, like broccoli or carrots, keeps them strong and provides essential nutrients. Always provide fresh, clean water in a sipper bottle, and check it daily to ensure it's functioning properly and free of debris. Spot clean the cage every day, removing soiled bedding and food debris, and do a bigger, more thorough clean once a week. But leave a small amount of old, clean bedding so it still smells familiar and doesn't disrupt their scent marking. A clean, enriching, and stimulating environment is key to keeping your hamster healthy, happy, and thriving. Watch with delight as your hamster instinctively builds tunnels and intricate burrow systems, diligently stores food in their cheek pouches and hidden caches, and enthusiastically explores every corner of their carefully crafted domain. Their home is their kingdom. Make it safe, stimulating, fun, and full of enriching opportunities for adventure and natural behaviors. A well-cared-for hamster, provided with the right environment and attention, is a joy to watch, a delight to have around, and a rewarding companion. Creating a hamster haven, a perfect little world tailored to their needs, is the very first step to ensuring a happy, healthy, and thriving pet. Hamsters are full of surprises. Their cheek pouches can stretch to hold food 2 or 3 times the size of their head, a hilarious sight. In the wild, mothers even use their pouches to carry babies to safety. Hamsters have poor eyesight but make up for it with an amazing sense of smell and touch. They use scent glands to mark their territory and navigate their world. The name hamster comes from the German word for to hoard, a perfect fit for these expert food collectors. Even with a full food bowl, they'll stash snacks in hidden hoards. Hamsters are determined escape artists, always testing their cage for a way out. Their nightly wheel running shows their boundless energy and spirit. These tiny creatures remind us to stay curious and active and never give up. Owning a hamster is a promise to be gentle, patient, and kind. Hamsters are delicate and can be easily frightened, so let them settle in and get used to your voice. Taming takes time. Offer treats and let your hamster come to you. Always scoop them up gently from below, never grab from above. Hold them close to your body or over a soft surface to help them feel safe. Respect their nocturnal schedule, play with them in the evening, never wake them during the day. Every interaction should be calm and positive, building trust and friendship. Caring for a hamster teaches empathy and respect for all animals. Watch, listen, and learn what your hamster needs. They can't tell you in words. By providing a safe, loving home, you honor the trust your hamster places in you. A hamster's trust is a gift, and caring for them is a privilege. What makes hamsters such wonderful friends? It's the quiet joy they bring to our lives. Their peaceful routines and funny antics like cleaning their faces or darting through tunnels are pure delight. Hamsters teach us to slow down and appreciate the little things. They're perfect first friends for children, teaching responsibility and gentleness. But their companionship comforts people of all ages, bringing calm to busy lives. The bond you form is built on trust and quiet understanding. Your hamster will recognize your voice and scent, and may even greet you at the cage. This silent friendship is powerful and rewarding. Hamsters show us how to be content, curious, and prepared. They open our hearts to the wonder of animals and the importance of kindness. Every hamster, big or small, has a huge personality waiting to be discovered. Welcoming a hamster means inviting a world of quiet joy and friendship into your home.